Hello, fellow traders. Well, welcome again to this is Forex analysis. I thank God for the wonderful week we just had. It ended well. May the name of the Lord be blessed continually. I am HEB FS, the only Forex trader who has a mission anytime I meet any pair. And that is mission is always to decomplexify the complicated. I've come to share my ideas concerning pound Canadian dollar. Pound Canadian dollar. I am looking to buy this pair. But as a trader, if you have been following me, you will understand that before I, HB FX, click any buy or any sell, what is called the four W's or to be sorted out. These four W's are the four questions that are meant to be answered effectively before clicking any buy or any sell. And what are the four W's? They are: why is it that I want to buy this per GBP card? What is the substantial evidence of buying this pair? Where will I buy this pair? And lastly, and not the least, is when to buy this pair. Fellow traders, as you journey with me to the monthly time frame, you will understand the rationales behind my preparation for buying this pair, pound Canadian dollar. And this is the monthly time frame. Now, this is the monthly time. What is happening in this pair? Let me first of all show you the zones. Now, this is the monthly time frame. What are the zones? These are the zones. This is the monthly upper zone. This is the midway zone, and this is the lower zone. What is happening in this pair? This pair is what? It is an uptrend. The price gave us here, it gave us higher high, came down for higher low. Now the price has gone up again for another higher high. The price came down for higher low. It went up again for higher high. The price came down still for higher low, equal lows. Where is the price going? The price now is now heading to another equal lows before this resistance level will be finally broken, or rather it might still come back to another equal lows, but we don't know. But this monthly time frame, from what we are seeing, this monthly time frame is telling us to capitalize with the bulls so that we can continually push the price upwardly till they get to these equal highs. How are we going to buy this pair? We are not going to conclude only on this monthly time frame. We have other time frames to verify from, and this is why we're taking this pair to the weekly time frame. Now over to the weekly time frame. What is happening again this weekly time frame? The price again is an uptrend. How is this an uptrend? Because this was the place of sensitivity before, but price has finally broken this weekly resistance level. Since the price has broken above this weekly resistance level, where is the price going? It is going to the next place of sensitivity, and that is this weekly resistance level. This now has now become a support level. It is now heading to the next weekly resistance level. So this confirmed to us again that weekly is supporting what the monthly had just sold to capitalize with the bulls so that we can continually push this price upward till they get to this level. How are we going to buy this price? We still have other time frames to confirm from, that is to verify from. And now we're taking it to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, what is happening in this price? The price, the structure is beautifully presented in this daily time frame. Now the price gave us here, it gave us here lower low. It went up for lower high, lower low, equal highs, equal lows. Now price has finally broken and gave us higher high in the daily time frame. When it gave us higher high, what happened? The sellers, that is the bears, brought the price back to higher low. Now, when you look carefully, what are you seeing? What can we see? We can see that the price is at the daily resistance level, and this daily resistance level carries a lot of bearish pressure. Then, since it carries a lot of sellers pressure, how are we going to buy this pair? Let us go to 4H. I will share with you when to buy this pair JBP card, because technically this price has to buy. Technically it must buy unless fundamental happens. I am a technical trader. Whatever that happens in fundamental does not concern me. I focus only on the technicalism of the price motivity. Now this is a 4H time frame. Now, what is happening in this pair? Now, this is a 4H time frame. Now, the price is an uptrend, supporting what other time frame have said to us earlier before now. Now, how is this an uptrend? The price gave us here lower low. But when it gets to this lower high, who failed? Sellers failed to bring the price back to equal lows. What happened? Buyers, that is the bulls, took the price back to where? Higher high. Now, on this higher high, what will happen now is this. When the market opens tomorrow, by God's grace, what will happen? The bears will bring the price back to this 4-hit support level. If they bring the price back to this 4-hit support level, what are we going to do? We will wait for candle confirmation before jumping into this pair. What are the candle confirmation for buying? Now, they are number one, it can be a bullish engulfing candle, it can be a significant pin bar, or lastly, it can be a morning star. If any of these candles is spotted here, you have to join this pair because technically this price has to buy. Okay, now what is the second scenario of this price buy? Finally, if the sellers failed to bring the price back to this 4K support level, what will happen is that the bulls will take the price above this resistance level. When they take it above this, when they break above this resistance level, they will retest on it. Make sure you buy with the candle confirmation. It can be a bullish engulfing candle, it can be a significant pin bar, or lastly, it can be a morning star. As well as we are thinking technically, we are not going to forget that fundamental may happen. If fundamental happens, that sellers bring the price down to this level, now this marks this price, that's this pair, non-essential for our entry. That is why we always buy with candle confirmation. You see, so if sellers are able to bring the price down to this level without any candle confirmation, that means this pair has become non-essential for our entry. This is the full and final technical analysis on this pair, pound Canadian dollar. I am still your boy, HB 200FX. Do not forget the code. And what is that code? The most beautiful setup is yet to come. What are you going to do then? Risk as much as you can afford to lose. What can you afford to lose? 1%, 2%, or maximumly 5% of your account, because the most beautiful setup is yet to come. I wish each and every one of you a profitable week ahead. God bless you all and see you soon.